Alright, what's up guys? Stixx Picks here, back with another video. We are at the flea market with another picking video. See what we can find. We're a little bit later. It's like 9 o'clock right now, so we're a little bit normally earlier when we're picking, but let's see what we can get. Alright, let's see what we can try and find. It's later in the day, like it's 9. We're normally here like 7, 8. It's kind of harder to find stuff when you're at 9 because all the good stuff is gone, you know? Hey, you never know though. We'll find what we can find.
See anything here for your arm you might like? These kind of things and those stuff.
You said $5, but it's not torn.
Yeah.
Nobody else think anything through? We got enough here for about a box to fill up, maybe 2.
Yeah.
So that ain't bad.
How much are the Legos?
It's 65.
How much is this Lego set?
35. The 2 little ones are $5 each.
Alright. Thank you.
You see, Mama, you interested in?
Hello. Hey, what's up? Asteroidian packs? They all sold out already?
Sold out.
Dang,
I had like 2 or 3 trainer bags in there.
Dang, everybody's buying those.
I don't know why. Did Lost Oregon one come out or something? Like a new one?
I don't know. I haven't been paying too much attention. I just like buying packs. But that's funny. I guess I'll get one of these. I don't know. Yeah, let's go to these.
How you been though?
I'm alright.
Hey, I watched your last video. Dude.
Let's see what I get. Let's see what I get. Alright, let's just do like this. I don't think it's a good one. Yeah, unlucky.
Open one more.
Oh, one more? Really?
One more.
Alright. Thank you.
See what happens.
Thank you.
Yeah, don't worry about it, bro.
Yeah. You said it's like the one that has the black outline, right?
I think so. But then I seen on the Pokemon Go, I opened those, and then the black trim means the same thing.
Yeah, I don't.
And the white trim.
They like
does too.
changed it. I don't know. I don't even like looking at it sometimes. I like to like see if
Yeah.
see if it
You know the
is.
little trick they do? I think like 3 cards or 4 cards.
Yeah, it's 4 card. I do that for like sometimes I do it, but it's fine. We'll just show it. Oh.
White tag again.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah. Hey, thank you though. I appreciate it.
Yeah, next week.
Yeah, I will. I'll be here tomorrow too, probably. Alright, see you tomorrow. Alright, I like that guy. Dang, I already missed that money on this Funko Pop lot too. I already knew that. I kind of wish I did buy them all, but you know, you can't buy everything. That was a couple videos ago when I bought my 2 best deals for pretty much. They still have yet to sell, but they probably will at some point, you know? You never know. How much is the Funko Pop?
$100 for all 3 of them. For all 4 of them.
And I know those are all $100. I was not expecting that. I wonder if it's actually worth $100. Those Funko Pops look like they're worth about $10 each, not gonna lie. But I guess that could be wrong, I don't know. I just wanted those because I like Dragon Ball.
Take it to the dump. See what I can tell. See? Machine apparatus. Yeah. I don't know.